Hello and welcome to IBC 2014. My name is Olivier Bovis, I'm the Marketing Director for our AV Media business in Europe, and I'd like to give you a quick tour of our IBC presence this year. As you can see behind me, the stand is still being worked out as we speak, so we're going to try to find our best way in. Just simply, for those who followed us in the past few years, you remember the theme Beyond Definition, which is still the core of our message being articulated at this IBC. That's fundamentally composed of three things. One is called enhanced visual experience. It's all the efforts we're doing toward the 4K migration. The second one is our IT workflow solutions, which again I'm going to try to give you a better view of this year in particular. And finally is IP Live, where we demonstrated technology last year, but this year we're going much more in detail and I'm going to try to demonstrate you some really interesting innovations. Anyway, for any of these products in more detail, if you really want to know much more thorough detail, my colleagues will have their own videos and will be giving you everything you need behind. But in the meantime, I invite you to follow me on the stand for a quick stand tour. Okay, so first chapter, enhanced visual experience. So it starts about all the 4K migration of our lineup. Let me introduce one of the very first really exciting products here at IBC for us. It's a product called the PXW FS7. This product is actually really designed for one-man band operation, willing to use large format sensor. So the camera is based on Super 35 E-mount lens system, recording 4K with a completely new design in terms of ergonomy, really designed, as I said, for one-man band operation. So I'm not going to go in detail because my colleague Fabien will be giving you everything you need to know about it. But a couple of points to show you. For example, the design of the handle has been completely reworked, can be positioned anywhere in the body, so is the viewfinder. The ergonomy as well of the handle is brand new. Anyway, a lot of stories around this product for you to check out. So second chapter in our enhanced visual experience starts with the F5 that will start to migrate to 4K onboard recording from the end of this year. But in addition to that, I'd like to show and draw your attention on a particularly brand new accessory fitting the F55, which was designed to help the F55 address the documentary market. I have here my great model, Sébastien. Sébastien, so if you turn around a little bit, you can see here we have a brand new shoulder mount system which has been created specifically for this product, because not only is it adding the relevant shoulder pad system, but also all the controls and the connectors on the back of it that makes the F55 a really versatile documentary camera. So that again helps to actually enhance the usability of the F5 and 55s, which are already incredibly popular products. Last chapter on our enhanced visual experience on the acquisition subject. There is many products new here as well, which I won't unfortunately be covering, but quickly a glimpse at the PXW X70, which is one of my favorites. Favorite why? Because this product is 4K ready, based on a 1-inch sensor and recording on XAVC long-op 50 megabit 422, which is an interesting combination when you consider the form factor. We never had such kind of format size sensor, which gives you the shallow depth of field on a professional product of that size, as I said. So again, check it out. Really, really interesting product in terms of definition. I'll take you now into the viewing experience of 4K. Okay, so shooting 4K is one thing, but viewing 4K, of course, is the other part. And there is no better product than just probably to experience this than this brand new monitor called the BVM X300. This is our very first 4K OLED 30-inch display. We showed this in prototype forms in the last year and got a lot of amazing feedback from customers. This is now becoming a reality. And to be fair, to summarize it all, in some of those images when you look at them, sitting from where I stand, it looks like you're looking by the window. So that's only the impression I can describe to you. So moving on to now the second chapter, workflow solution. And funny enough, I'm starting with the camera. Why a camera? I'm actually sitting right in front of the PXW X200, brand new camcorder that will be detailed in another video. However, the area of focus I would like to draw your attention on is the wireless capability, and not just of this one, but also the X500 sitting behind me and the X180. So three of the lineup of the camcorders in the lineup right now can start doing wireless streaming capability over 3G, 4G network or Wi-Fi. In addition to that, to start the workflow, the codec. Yeah? XAVC, the full lineup now supports the XAVC codec, starting from the X70 all the way up to the X500, or going into the Cinemalta family with the F55 as an example. However, this codec is supported by now more than 65 companies, and I'm sure more detail will come through on this about the workflow benefits that this alliance is bringing to our customers. So moving from acquisition to media preparation. Very simply here, we're introducing a brand new family of products under the brand called Catalyst, a multi-platform solution made of several software. The first one is Browse, which is the combination of our previous RAW viewer and content browser. Supports all the Sony formats in Mac and PC environment, obviously. And then once you've browsed the content with all the additional features that browse actually contains, which I'm not going to describe here in detail, you can go into prepare mode. And prepare is a way to actually prepare your data before you hit the editing stage and try to save a lot of time in terms of media preparation. So check out Catalyst. It's a really interesting combination of products. Okay, talking of workflow solution, we're also introducing at IBC a brand new range of appliance solution. And I'm going to show you one for the sake of example here. It's called the PWS 100TD1, which is actually an ingest and digitization station, which contains all the relevant features you can expect, quality control and so on and so forth. Now, that solution is also part of a much bigger picture, part of a system or a managed service actually called Media Lifecycle Services. Media Lifecycle Services is an offer that Sony is bringing to market to help customers get the best out of their assets. We go from digitization, restoration, archive, physically in the cloud, all the way to monetization. So check this out as well on the stand or online for more information. Okay, so that concludes my very quick review of the stand. I hope this was informative. As you can see, my colleagues are finishing the design as we speak, so putting the latest touch on it. I really invite you to check the website, pro.sony.eu, for any more information and certainly much more detail on any of these products. Thanks for joining us, and I hope to see as many of you as possible at IBC.